This is a 2014 Chevrolet Silverado, the LT package with the 5.3. Currently has a exhaust system, another shop put on, kind of substandard looking dual exhaust out in front of the wheels. A little different, but the way they did it, it's not really getting any crossover scavenging. It kind of sounds like a tractor coming out the driver's side tailpipe. So we need to get a little balance to the exhaust system, clean up the flow. We're going to put a dual in, dual out Magnaflow muffler on there. That'll help with the scavenging. Clean up the sound, make it a little smoother. We're going to take it right off the catalytic converters, tie it all back in there. We'll let you see what it looks like there when we get it all put together. Okay, so we've got the Magnaflow on there, got it all cleaned up. Looks a lot better underneath here. Got some new hangers, new brackets, got all of his tips straightened out, looking good from where they had it all boogered up before. Got the dual in, dual out Magnaflow. It's going to smooth out the sound, give it a lot cleaner tone, give it a lot more torque out of the motor, so it's going to run a whole lot better. It's got the factory cat. Let's kind of see what it sounds like here. Oh yeah, it's nice and smooth, nice mellow tone. Customers complaining it sounded like a tractor before, so that definitely took care of all that.